I just arrived at this open square. It looks like some sort of open air market. I remember the first time I've ever been to an open air market in Europe was actually in this lovely little UNESCO town. Well, first time I was ever in a UNESCO site was in this city called Schwerin in Germany, northern Germany, and it was a cool little open air market like this. This is very small. Could you imagine the one in Istanbul, the Grand Bazaar? That would be cool to visit. I almost want to stop and grab something to eat, but then I'd have to use the washroom right away. But let's walk through here and see what they have. They have bananas, pineapples. I don't think they grow pineapples here.
Yes,
they have.
my friend.
Hello, how are you?
Good. I have a good kind of truffle. It's possible to taste. Come here.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I have to go. I'm making a video. Thank you.
Video. You're from
Canada.
Canada.
They have spices. They have, I don't know what all this is. They got nuts and nuts, spoons, oils. It's funny to walk along and people try to stop you and try to sell you something. That reminds me of when I was in Czech Republic. Oh, there's a monument up here. I didn't notice that. Let's go take a look. I'm not talking about the guy with head tattoos. But yeah, it's easy for people like myself to get stopped because I don't look like a local, and people will always say, hey, come take a look at this, try this out. And once you try out something, then they believe it, you're obligated to make a purchase. The most important thing here in this market is that